guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Random Lifestyle Vlog. As you can see, today we're going to unbox the Espa Advent Calendar. So I did not really plan on buying this Advent Calendar like straight away, but I did want to buy like a skincare Advent Calendar. I was thinking about OPTIMISE, but it seems like it's very similar to the last year's one, and I didn't really want to get that many repeats. I feel like the main purpose of the skincare single branded Advent calendars is to just explore the brand a little bit more rather than like a proper value for money. So I thought, like, you know, Espa is the brand I do want to explore a little bit more. I've tried a couple of products, I really like them. So this seemed like a really good idea. I did pre-order this Advent calendar a couple of weeks ago, and I got this gift with purchase. This is like a Espa gift with purchase. So I'm going to show you what's inside at the end of the video, and then we'll see if there are any repeats or maybe these are like different products. I'm not sure. Okay, before we move on, I have an important announcement for you guys. So, as you might already know, we are doing another giveaway hopefully soon, once we reach 2,500 subscribers, and like this giveaway is already like prepared. But if we're going to reach 3,000 subscribers by Christmas, we are going to give away this Advent calendar. I mean, not this particular one because this one is mine, but exactly like this one, the Espa 2022 Advent Calendar. So if that sounds tempting to you, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. So without further ado, let's just start the unboxing. So you just lift this part first, and then you kind of open this like a wardrobe, like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be like able to fully open it, but it seems to be all right like that. So what do I expect from this Advent calendar? I mean, obviously I don't really expect like too many full sizes. I think with like luxury single branded skincare Advent calendars, it's more like kind of like the way to try the products from the range. So I'm hoping to get like some nice sizes though, you know, some nice sizes and a nice selection of products for sure. I hope there are no samples, like, you know, remember the Declare Advent calendar, so that was not something I expected. So I'm hoping that this is not going to happen this time. Okay, let's start with the drawer number 1 over here. So here we have a Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. There you go. Do you know what? Whenever I have a hair conditioner that you can use on your scalp and on your tresses, I've noticed that it usually works better on my scalp only. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go, but I'm going to test it as a scalp mask. I'm not really going to put it on my tresses, on my like the lengths. And we have 30 ml of product over here. Okay, door number 2. So here we have a 3 Active Resilience Clarify and Fortify Scalp Serum, purifying serum for roots and scalp. We have 10 ml over here. So another scalp product that is quite interesting as well. I've never tried any purifying or exfoliating serums or products for my scalp, but I've been actually wanting to try some of those. So that is actually quite exciting as well. Definitely a new product for me to try, and that's a little bit different, you know, because you usually get products for your like length of your hair, but you don't really get that many scalp products. So we'll see how that will go. Number three is over there. We have something big. So here we have Fitness Bath Salts, invigorating aromatic crystals to soothe and recharge. I've had some bath salts from Espa before, and they were brilliant. Different range though. Oh, that smells gorgeous. That's such a beautiful fragrance. Oh, really beautiful. Yeah, that's actually very exciting for me. I love bath products, so like whatever I'm going to find that is bath related in here, I'm probably going to be super excited. This smells amazing. I'm probably just going to use this tonight. Okay, door number 4. It's over there as well. So here we have a Fitness Shower Gel, cleansing shower gel to refresh the body and revitalize the mind, and we have 30 ml here as well. Door number 5 over here. So this is 3 Active Resilience Pro Bio Moisturizer, hydrating day cream for antioxidant protection, and we have 15 ml. So this is what I pretty much mean by the sizes in the Advent calendar like that. 15 ml for a face product, that's like a really good size. That will last you for like maybe 2 weeks or so. So definitely a good way to try things. If you get a sample, and if you can use it only like, I don't know, 3 to 4 times, then I can't really tell if I like it or not, you know. This is a good size in that type of advent calendar, so I'm quite happy with that. And also I was really tempted to try more of these like 3 active products, so I'm actually really happy to have something from this range here as well. Okay, door number 6 is over here. So here we have a Super Nourish Glossing Shampoo, nutrient-rich cleanser to nurture dry, damaged and stressed looking hair. So there's that, and we have 50 ml, so quite a nice size as well. So we have three hair products already. So the shampoo, hair and scalp mud mask, and then we have this serum as well. Okay, next up, number 7, the flat one over here. Okay, so we have Positivity Pulse Point Oil, aromatic rollerball to uplift and inspire. And for a moment I thought I had this one already, but the one I have is like the calm or relax, something like that. This one is Positivity, so let's have a quick sniff. By the way, we have like a metal kind of ball here, so that's going to be quite cooling as well. That smells nice. I think there's some neroli in it. It's really nice. It's definitely kind of like making me feel a bit more happy when I'm sniffing. I think all these products kind of make me happy because they smell really lovely. But this definitely quite uplifting. Okay, number 8 over here. Ooh, okay, something quite heavy. This is the Purifying Polish. Apparently you should use it on your dry skin. Interesting. I'm trying to open it, but it's not. Ooh, okay. That smells really nice, but that's not a surprise. I don't really want to like spill anything, but no, it seems like it's not really like spillable. But yeah, that is actually exciting as well. 55 mils we have over here. As I said, anything like bath related, I'm loving it. Day number 9. Over there. So here we have 3 active regenerating treatment oil, age-defying facial oil for rejuvenated skin, and we have 10 mils, and this is from the 3 active line that I was actually interested in trying. So yeah, that is actually really cool. 10 mils. Cool. Yeah, I like that. To be honest, for facial oils, 10 mils goes a long way. Really, you only need like a couple of drops for your whole face, neck and decolletage. So that's definitely quite exciting, and the size is good too. Drawer number 10 over here. So here we have Regenerating Bioretinol Sleeping Serum, intensive age-defying serum for visibly rejuvenated skin, and this is 10 mils again. I love testing new retinol products, so obviously this is just going straight to my bathroom. I need to test it out. Door number 11 over here. Ooh, this one is massive. So this is 3 active regenerating Define and Tighten serum, silky body serum to improve the appearance of crepey, loose and slack skin, and this is 30 mils. This would be amazing if this was a face product, but this is a body serum, so 30 mils, that's still not bad for like a body product. And this is like a serum, it's very kind of like liquidy, so it'll probably last for a little bit longer time than like your regular body balm. But yeah, I mean, still happy with the size, but kind of got excited that we have like a full size face product for a moment. Day number 12 over here, and here we have Energizing Bath and Body Oil. So needless to say, I love bath products. This is energizing one, 15 mils over here, so I'm assuming at least 3 baths out of that. It smells brilliant, so yeah, I'm really happy with that one. Okay, number 13. Oh, it's the last. Okay, so it's the big one over there. That was going to be a difficult one to get. Okay, so here we have a nourishing conditioner, a naturally nourishing formula to help moisture smooth and soften. So we have a conditioner, we have a shampoo, and we have 2 scalp treatments. 4 hair products, but like everything is a little bit different, so that kind of makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, it makes sense to me, so I'm happy. Okay, number 14 over here. So here we have Optimal Skin Pro Serum, intensely nourishing, nutrient-rich serum for radiant skin, 10 mils. This is like a serum in the form of oil. To me, I tried that before and I did not really love it, so that was probably the only Espa product I didn't love. I might give it another go because my skin changed a little bit recently. I might give it another go, but back then it actually gave me some breakouts, so I wasn't really too happy about that. It does contain a form of retinol as well, so it's going to be a perfect product to use overnight. Number 15. Okay, what is this? There you go. And this is Winter Spice Scented Ceramic Ornament. That sounds really lovely. And yeah, do you know what? I'm not going to open it because I'm assuming this is going to be an ornament like this one over here. The Espa ornament. It kind of feels like it's going to be a circular one. But this is scented, and I kind of want this scent to last till Christmas, and I don't think it will now that I open it. So yeah, that actually looks very exciting. I'm curious to know whether this is going to be like white or maybe like a gold kind of plated, but yeah, I think it's a really nice product, especially for the Christmas period. Okay, number 16. It's over here, and we have a Bath and Body oil, but this one is different. So the previous one was the energizing one, and this one is the restorative one. Aromatherapy oil to rebalance and comfort. So yeah, so good. I'm definitely having a bath tonight, but I'm still not sure what I'm going to use now. I have 2 bath oils and some bath salts, so yeah, hard choice. Okay, number 17. Okay, number 17 over there. Okay, so I'm assuming this must be a full size. This is the Puff and Soothe Eye Gel. Cooling eye gel to refresh and hydrate, and we have 15 mils over here. So there's that. I have used one of Espa eye creams before, and it was amazing. It was super like gentle. I do have sensitive eye area, and sometimes there are products that can irritate this eye area for me, and then Espa product was my go-to whenever my eye area was actually irritated. It was very nourishing, very cooling. I haven't tried this particular product, so I'm super excited to give it a go, but judging by the product I used before, I'm hoping that this is going to be good as well. Okay, number 18. Okay, I couldn't find it, and it's just right next to me. So here we have Isotonic Hydration Mask, and we have 30 mils over here. Revitalizing mask to quench and re-energize thirsty skin. I have dry skin. That's going to be amazing for me. So yeah, super excited. I'm just going to put it next to my bath because this actually will go well with my bathing products as well. I mean, just like a little bit of like a pampering session tonight. Okay, day number 19 over here. So here we have Nourishing Lip Treatment, Hydrating Oil for Lips, and this is 5 mils, but I'm assuming this must be a full size as well. I love lip oils. They're like, they give you a little bit of like a gloss on your lips, but at the same time they're not as sticky as your regular kind of lip glosses. So yeah, that is really cool. Also, it's going to be quite nourishing on your lips. So that was definitely a good day, at least in my opinion. So we're just moving on to the drawer number 20. So it's over here, and we have something yellow inside. Okay, so this is Yuzu and Ginger Cleansing Sorbet Balm to Oil Cleanser to melt away makeup and impurities. And I've tried this product before, and it was really lovely. It removes makeup really nicely. This is 15 mils as well. It's very gentle. It doesn't really just burn like my eyes area, which happens sometimes with some cleansers. But this one is actually really nice. So yeah, cool. 15 mils, that's going to be perfect for my kind of like skincare bag for traveling. Day number 21 over there. So here we have Refining Skin Polish, and this is Brightening Exfoliator to refine and smooth, and we have 15 mils over here. Yeah, do you know, I think I might have a full size of this product somewhere. This being a mechanical scrub, this is not something I just use like very often, maybe like every 3 weeks or so. So these products tend to not appear that much in my empties. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I have a mechanical peel, mechanical scrub from Espa somewhere in my stash. I haven't tried it yet. 15 mils again, that would be probably enough for me. I don't think I even need the full size, to be honest. But yeah, cool. Day number 22 is over here, and what do we have here? Here we have some Muscle Rescue Balm, and this is 15 grams. What is this? An invigorating treatment balm for hard-working muscles. Intensely cooling peppermint and eucalyptus revive tired muscles, while warming clove bath and West Indian bay oils help to soothe and restore body and mind. Yeah, So that's probably the only problem I have with the size in this whole advent calendar. This is like a body product, and we have this really small kind of like tube. This is 15 grams. I don't know how many milliliters there's going to be inside, but I feel like they could have given us a bit bigger size here, like maybe 30 mils. That will be a little bit better. All the other body products are in the sizes I can accept, I can fully accept. This one seems a little bit small, but that's fine. This is the only one that I can complain about, and we didn't have any samples, so that's good, right? Okay, door number 23, the big one over here. So here we have Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser, multi-use enzyme cleanser, exfoliator, and a mask for radiant skin. And I do have this product. Here we have 50 mils. I think the one that I have might be either the same size or bigger, but I'm not sure. But 50 mils is definitely quite a generous size as well. So you can just apply this on your face. It contains these little like beads, like jojoba spheres. They call them jojoba spheres. And you can just wash your face and they will just melt under your fingertips, and you can just wash it off. And that way you're just using this as a cleanser, or you can just apply it that way and just leave on your skin for like 10 minutes, and this will act as a face mask, like a, you know, exfoliating face mask. That product is actually brilliant. If you haven't tried it yet, you should whenever you have a chance. Okay, day number 24, Christmas Eve over here. So here we have Espa Restful Pillow Mist, and we have 12 mils over here. So there you go. Obviously, I'm just going to spray a lot just to see how it smells. That's really nice. That's got very nice calming scent. It's not too much in your face. You know, sometimes pillow mists are like proper killers, like they're really strong. This one is very gentle and very nicely balanced. So yeah, I love it. Okay. Day number 25, our final day, and we have a candle. But look at this candle. Look how pretty it is. Such a beautiful candle, and it just literally makes me feel like it's Christmas. So beautiful. This is Winter Spice scented candle. It's just stunning. So I'm assuming this is going to be the same scent as this ornament here. So it's going to be lovely. Yeah, so this is the whole content of the advent calendar. Let's have a quick look at the gift with purchase I got with this. Let's see if we have any different products in here. So we have 5 things. First of them is the Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser. So we've got that one in the 50 ml size, and here we have 30 ml, so that's the one. Next up we have Overnight Glow Enzyme Peel, and this is overnight peel for glowing, refined and replenished skin, 15 ml again. Then we have Clean and Green Detox Mask, Skin Nutrient Mask to purify, balance and refine. That's 30 ml. The Optimal Skin Pro Serum 10 ml. We've got this one in the advent calendar, the same size as well. And then the last product is Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer, Nutrient Rich Hydrator for Radiant Skin. And we have 15 ml over here. So that's also a product we did not have in this advent calendar. So we have 2 repeats and 3 new products in this set. So with all that in mind, what do you guys think about this advent calendar? I really loved it. The only complaint, like a tiny one that I have, is about this muscle rescue balm. I think it could have been a bit bigger, but other than that, I think it's a brilliant selection. And if you get the chance to get this advent calendar with a gift with purchase of some sort, that makes it even more amazing value. Like, you will have 3 extra products that you don't have in this advent calendar, and 2 products that you can find in here, but you might love them, who knows. So you'll have like a backup, right? I love the fact that we have a nice selection of products. We have some hair stuff, we have some body stuff, some bath stuff, which I love, some face products, and this beautiful candle as well. I think it's a great way to discover the brand a little bit more. But what do you think, guys? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts. And if you'd like to win this advent calendar, please remember to subscribe. As long as we reach 3,000 subscribers by Christmas, we'll be giving away one of these advent calendars to one of you guys. Thank you very much for watching. For more advent calendar unboxings, check those videos here. I'm going to see you very soon. Take care. Bye.